Welcome to English Quizler. Think your grammar skills are sharp enough? In this quiz, I've got 40 tricky English questions, a perfect mix of easy, medium, and advanced levels to test how well you know English. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Let's begin.
The correct answer is at the airport. The right answer is for 5 years. The correct answer is across the bridge. The answer is on the corner of the street. The correct answer is on a cold winter evening. The right answer is at across the road. The correct answer is into the pool. The answer is running out of time. The correct phrase is put up with this noise. The answer is look forward to meeting you. The correct answer is gave up smoking. The right phrase is takes after her mother. The answer is look it up in the dictionary. Hit the nail on the head means to say exactly the right thing. Once in a blue moon means something that happens very rarely. When in Rome, do as the Romans do means you should follow local customs when in a new place. The early bird catches the worm means success comes to those who act early. A blessing in disguise means something that seems bad at first but turns out good later. The correct answer is much money. The right answer is a few chairs. The correct word is anyone. The answer is some sugar. The correct choice is each student received a certificate. The right answer is much water. Water is uncountable, so we say much water. The correct word is most people. It means the majority of people. The correct form is each of the players was given a medal. The right answer is either of these books is fine. The correct answer is the news is very surprising. The right answer is there is some bread on the table. The correct answer is a European artist. We say a, not an, because a European starts with a Y sound. The answer is an umbrella. We use an before words that start with vowel sounds. The correct form is the Great Wall of China. It's unique, so we use the. The right answer is one of the best dancers. Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties. Benevolent means kind and generous. Metamorphosis means a complete change in form or nature. Elated means extremely happy and full of joy. The correct answer is if I had known earlier. The right answer is will have completed. The correct answer is anyone else in the class.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.